me show you some of the common mistakes that 99% of the people make when they're trying to learn the macaco. Another classic mistake that everyone do is twisting the hip before they take off. And that end up doing a cartwheel instead of jumping first. So you want to keep your hip facing forward as much as you can before you take off. Nice, everyone. I hope that will help you to stop doing those mistakes while you learn your macaco. But let's face it, everyone have different situations, different backgrounds. So sometimes just knowing how to do something might not be enough. And that's why I have created this 14 days challenge, completely free of charge. On those 14 days, we're gonna be working and finding out exactly where you're at so we can build up a plan that works specifically for you. Looking forward to have you there. See you soon. This is some of the people that have been training with me for the past 22 years. And if you'd like to find out exactly how they have achieved their macaco, click the link on the bio and join me on my 14 days challenge program. It's completely free of charge. In those 14 days, we're gonna find out where you're at, build up a unique roadmap based on exercise and drills that works specifically for your situation, using my unique MIM method. My name is Fabio Santos and I have been doing capoeira for 28 years. For the past 22 years, I've been traveling around teaching and helping other people to improve and master their goals. If you'd like to find out more about my unique methods, click the link on the bio and join me. The next move is yours.